Look at all the nasty pollen. Thank you, rain, for washing the pollen away. I appreciate that. But it is a sad and gloomy day. So, supposed to do this all day. But, upside, no pollen. Downside, super wet and disgusting. So, the tent will be my fortress for today, which is awesome. On a plus side, one, obviously, you know, pollen is being washed away. Two, the loo remains standing, so that is awesome. The guidelines that I set down on that worked well. So there it is. That is awesomeness. Sweet. All right, so let's say hello to the rain, and it's all good.